Open this URL of Microsoft Designer in a web browser. Most users take Microsoft Designer as just an AI image creator, but it is a full-fledged photo editing software. To create a custom design in Microsoft Designer, click Design from Scratch option. You have the option to select from presets in square, landscape, or vertical formats. You can also choose from the popular paper sizes like A4 or AUS letter. However, today I will create a square design in Microsoft Designer because it is the most popular format for social media posts. For a custom size, click the Resize button. I will not choose this preset in 1080 by 1080 pixels because for meta ads, these are not the best dimensions. According to Facebook official page, the minimum recommended size for creating a feed ad is at least 1080 by 1080 pixels. Hence, to enhance the quality of a feed ad or post, I opt for a custom size and input 1200 pixels in both the width and height fields. Hit on the Continue button. Here I will choose the Resize and Replace option. Let's change its background. Click anywhere on the design page. Select the background option and apply your favorite color to the background. For a beautiful gradient background, select Visuals. Scroll down under the Graphics tab and choose your favorite background and hit the Set as Background option. Text formatting, click on the Text option. Microsoft Designer offers you many eye-catching text presets. You can choose the one you like and replace its default text with your own. You can hold the text box from a corner and drag it to change its size. You can also move the text box to adjust its position. For options of text formatting, click on the text box. Here you find various options such as opacity, strike-through, underline, italic, and bold. You can change the font style of the text. You can also upload your own font. For example, you can download your favorite font free of cost from the repository of Google Fonts and upload it to Microsoft Designer. I will explain the position property later in this video. To change the text color, click on the color selector and apply your favorite color. Right-click options in Microsoft Designer by right-clicking on a text box. Additional options such as cut, copy, paste, duplicate, delete, flip, and position become available. Moreover, when right-clicking on a photo or video, you will also see the option of Set as Background. Adding visuals in Microsoft Designer, click Visuals and you get a lot of options such as awesome photos, videos, shapes, illustrations, and icons. You can use the search box to find your favorite visuals. For example, you can search for rectangle to get these graphics. Similarly, if you search for social media 3D, you get these high-quality graphics. After selecting photos, if you enter the query, a woman expressing, wow, and pointing, you get these amazing photos and use them to create awesome thumbnails for your videos. Editing visuals. Removing background and erasing specific objects. To remove background behind a photo, click the photo and select the Remove Background button. It will delete the background and your photo will become transparent. To erase specific object from a photo, click the photo and select Image Tools. From the left side menu, select the Generative Erase option. Microsoft Designer will start analyzing the photo. You can also use the brush to select the object. After analysis is complete, hover over the object and select it. Microsoft Designer will delete the specific object. However, this functionality may not work for the complex background. You can use the handles to crop a photo or video. You can also adjust the opacity or transparency of the image. To choose multiple specific elements in Microsoft Designer, start by selecting one element. Then, hold down the Shift key while selecting the other elements. This will allow you to move all the selected elements together seamlessly. For additional actions like copying or deleting, simply right-click on the selected elements. Functionality of the position in Microsoft Designer. The Position tool in Microsoft Designer proves handy when certain elements, such as text, get hidden by larger elements like images or videos. For instance, when placing a text box on a page and adding an image on top, it hides the text. If the intention is to make the text over-visible, using the Position tool becomes crucial. By selecting the image and choosing the Send Backward option from the Position tool, the image will move to the back, allowing the text to come forward. Upload your own media. Access the My Media section. You can upload your photos or videos from your computer or phone. You can also import media from Google Drive, Dropbox, or Google Photos. After uploading, add media to your design. Select Photo for editing options. You can automatically enhance the colors of your photo or manually adjust properties like brightness, contrast, saturation, temperature, and sharpness. Adding frames or fillable shapes in Microsoft Designer. Crop a square photo into round shape, incorporating fillable frames, which allow for inserting custom images, in Microsoft Designer is a complex task. Yet, I have found a solution to use fillable frames in Microsoft Designer. To crop a cornered photo into a rounded shape, access the Templates section in Microsoft Designer and type Frame Round Shape into the search bar. Scroll through the options to find templates featuring a customizable frame. Once you have selected your favorite frame, add an additional blank page and transfer the chosen template onto it. Right-click on the frame, copy it, then navigate to your design page and paste the frame. You can either choose an image from the visuals library or upload your own photo to place inside the frame. Just bring the photo onto the frame and it will be filled with your own photo. In other words, when you hover your photo over the frame, it automatically replaces the current photo with your photo. To adjust the photo within the frame, double-click on the frame and reposition the image as needed to fit inside the frame perfectly. To download your creatives in Microsoft Designer, click the Download button. You can download in MP4, PNG, JPEG, and PDF formats. To download a design with a transparent background using Microsoft Designer, choose the PNG format and check the box next to the Make Background Transparent option. Please demonstrate generosity by liking the video. Thank you for watching.